All right, who's ready for some extra credit? All right, so this is the problem that appears in your EOG, and then you're going to do the actual problem for extra credit in your parallel form. All right, well, you can put it on a separate sheet of paper if you don't want to put it there. Well, put it on a separate sheet of paper. Put it on a separate sheet of paper. Everybody put this on a separate sheet of paper. You can watch the video and then put the extra credit on a separate sheet of paper since I want to take it up. All right. So the figure below shows a square inscribed in a circle. The area of the shaded region is 2.5 square units. So this shaded region is 2.5 square units. So this is the way I broke this problem down. This problem took me a while to really think about it and to get it together in a way that I could present it to you so that you all could understand. So what I did, I tried to break up this square into pieces, right? So I broke the square up into 2, 4, 6, 8. And so I know that the area for a square is side squared, right? So I know that this is 5/8 of the side squared gives me 2.5. So 5/8 of the side, the area of the entire thing is side times side, but 5/8 of this squared, 5/8 of the side squared is giving me 2.5. So that's what I set it up. So the area is equal to s squared. And so I'm saying that 5/8 of the side squared is 2.5. And then I went on to solve this equation. So to solve this, this is a fraction, so you multiply by the reciprocal, 8/5, or you divide by 5/8, which is the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal of 8/5. So you take 8/5 times 2.5, and that gives you 4. Ooh, this looks great. So side squared is equal to 4. And then to find out what the side is, I take the square root, and side is equal to 2. Okay, see that? So the side is 2. So this is 2. Okay, and this side is 2. Well, they're asking me what is the approximate area of the circle. So the formula for the area of the circle is area is equal to pi r squared. I was about to say h, but clearly it's a cylinder. So pi r squared. Well, this is my radius, but this entire thing, I feel smart knowing this. I should kind of know this, is my diameter. So guess what I got, y'all? This is a right triangle. So if I find the diameter, right, then I take half of the diameter, it'll give me the radius, and then I'm able to find what the area of the circle is. So 2 squared plus 2 squared is equal to my c. Well, 2 squared is 4, plus 4 is equal to c squared, sorry. And then 8 is equal to c squared. I wrote this just really backwards, but c squared is equal to 8, and then take the square root of that. C is approximately, and they look like they rounded to the nearest tenth, so the square root of 8 is 2.8. So this entire thing is 2.8. So that means half of 2.8 is 1.4. So now the area of this particular problem is A is equal to 3.14 times 1.4 squared. 3.14, which is 6.2, and they probably used an entire pi, and that's how they got C. All right, so your job is to take this wonderful knowledge and apply it there. Now, of course, step by step, y'all should be able to get it. You know, this is really shout out to the people that really want to just know how to do this problem and give themselves a challenge. And that's why I love you. Appreciate you. Do the thing. As always, this is Mr. O'Neill. It's been great. We out. This has been another Beast Mode production.